everyone, we're going to find the velocity at the indicated value of t equals 4 as a particle moves along the x-axis given by x of t equals inverse sine of square root of t divided by 4. All right, so we're using this formula here, and we're going to go ahead and differentiate with respect to t. All right, and so just write this out. It's going to be 1 divided by square root of 1 minus square root of t divided by 4 squared times the derivative with respect to t of square root of t divided by 4. So this piece here is t to the 1/2 divided by 4. So when you differentiate that, you're going to get 1/2, and we already have a 4 here, t to the negative 1/2. So this is just going to be 1 divided by 8 square root of t. All right, so let's write this out. Derivative of x with respect to t equals 1 divided by square root of 1 minus t to the divided by 16 times 1 divided by 8 square root of t. Now, we could simplify this, but since we have this 4 here, we can plug in. It's probably a little easier just to plug in the 4 instead of simplify at this point. So let's go ahead and evaluate the velocity at time equals 4. So the velocity at 4 equals the derivative of x with respect to t, which we already did. So let's plug in the 4. 1 divided by square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 16 times 1 divided by 8 square root of t. So that's 8 square root of 4. And then at this point, we do have to simplify. So this is going to equal 1 divided by, and I can write this as 16 divided by 16. So this is going to be 1 divided by 16 minus 4 is 12 divided by 16 square root times this one is square root of 4 is 2. So you have 1 divided by 16. Now simplifying this, square root of 16 is 4. So basically what you have is 1 divided by square root of 12 divided by 4 times 16. Well, 4 goes into 16 4 times. So now what we have is our v of 4 equals 1 divided by 4 square root of 12. Square root of 12 can be written as 4 times 3. So this is going to be square root of 4 is 2. So it's 1 divided by 8 square root of 3. So this is a good answer to have, but if you can't have a radical in the denominator, we can rationalize it. So that would be 1 divided by 8 square root of 3, and just multiply the numerator and the denominator by square root of 3. So this would simplify to square root of 3 divided by 24. And that would be your final answer. This is the better way to write it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.